guys, how's it going? It's Katie with Kansas Hydrographics, and we have our dark silver carbon fiber pattern for you today. This is a full meter wide, and it is similar to our standard silver carbon fiber pattern, which is a really good seller of ours, but the silver carbon fiber has a transparent background, and this one actually has black ink for the, I guess you could say, background. So there is contrast in this one, which means you would not be so open on your base coat options like you would the standard silver. This one is fully inked, so you're going to want to stick with the lighter base coat color. We're going to do white. I'm willing to bet that that's going to be your best option, but we will see here. We're going to print it, and that will really tell us what base coat options you can use. We are using Hydrographics Activator, about a 1 minute soak time. We spray at about 17 psi. You don't really want to go much higher than that, otherwise you're just going to blow your film all around. I would definitely say a white base coat would be the best option for that. You can tone it down, I guess, a little bit if you wanted it to be a little more subtle. You could use like, you could use our charcoal metallic DTP. It would just tone it down a little bit. It wouldn't be as bold. That black, essentially you would lose your contrast. But that print's really nice. Don't really see any fading problems going on there in the black ink, so prints well. That is true to size. Again, I believe that's really close to, if not identical to, our black carbon fiber and silver carbon fiber patterns, if you're familiar with those. Those are like our top sellers, so most people are familiar with those. Pretty spot on with those. Print's nice. That will be in the carbon fiber section. That's at KansasHydrographics.com. Thank you guys so much for watching, and feel free to give us a call or shoot us an email if you guys have any questions. Thanks.